Welcome to the Student Planning and Registration tutorial for Galveston College. In this video, you'll learn how to access myGC, plan your courses, and register for classes. To get started, go to gc.edu, select Whitecaps Toolbox, then Whitecaps Portal, and log in using your student credentials. If you have trouble logging in, contact the IT Help Desk at 409-944-1352. Once you're in the portal, select myGC, then click Student Planning and Registration. Inside Student Planning, you'll see several sections: Planning Overview, which is the landing page, Plan and Schedule, My Progress, and My Schedule. You can navigate between these using the side menu at any time. If you need help planning or registering, you can contact advising by email or schedule an appointment through the advising page. On the Planning Overview page, you'll see two main steps. Step 1 is to track your progress and plan for upcoming courses. Step 2 is completing your registration, where you finalize your preferred times and dates for each 8-week session. Keep in mind, sections will only be available when registration is open. Next, go to My Progress to review your degree plan. Here, you'll see your major, catalog year, and requirements. Color indicators show your progress. Green means completed, yellow means planned, and red means still needed. To plan a course, click on a red requirement and select Search for courses that fulfill this requirement. Choose a course, then click Add Course to Plan and select your term. Remember, this step is planning, not registering. Use the filters on the left to narrow your search by availability, subject, location, term, subterm, or format. Once you find a class, select View Available Sections, choose a time, and click Plan to take this section. Next, go to Plan and Schedule to review your selected courses. Here, you can adjust sections or view other available times. Sections ending in A are first 8 weeks. Sections ending in B are second 8 weeks. Please note, if there is a blank semester, it means no courses were planned or added during your selection process. Before registering, check for any holds on your account. Holds will appear in red and must be resolved before registration. Please contact the respective office. When you're ready, click Register Now. If the button is grayed out, check for any holds. Use the timeline to view the courses you planned and create a projected graduation timeline. You can drag and drop courses or add terms as needed. If you need help choosing courses, visit gc.edu to Admissions to Catalog, then open the catalog for your program and follow the recommended sequence. If you need additional help, contact advising. We're here to support your success.